The much-awaited Vivo X200 series is set to launch in India tomorrow, and there's a lot to talk about. But here's the surprise. The prices for the X200 and X200 Pro are significantly higher in India compared to China. The Vivo X200, with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, is expected to start at 65,999 rupees here. But what about the X200 Pro? The X200 Pro will cost a massive 94,999 rupees for the 16GB RAM, 512GB storage variant in India. Well, the Vivo X200 Pro is packed with cutting-edge features like India's first 200-megapixel Zeiss APO telephoto camera, perfect for photography enthusiasts who want incredible zoom and sharp details. The phone also features MediaTek's flagship Dimensity 9400 chipset, a powerhouse for gaming, multitasking, and smooth performance. Additionally, the X200 Pro comes with a huge 6,000 mAh battery, ensuring you have all the power you need for a full day's use. It also runs on Android 15 with Vivo's custom FunTouch OS 15, offering a unique user experience with a fresh, modern interface. The premium build quality and 120Hz AMOLED display are just a few more reasons this phone stands out. But with the price difference being so huge, is the Vivo X200 series really worth it for Indian consumers? We're looking at a premium-priced flagship, and it seems like Vivo is betting on the camera features and high-end specs to justify the price tag. Whether or not this will pay off remains to be seen. What do you think? Will the price hike make Indian buyers reconsider, or will the powerful specs make it a must-have for tech enthusiasts? Stay tuned for more as we bring you the official launch details tomorrow.